today we're bringing you an old school recipe using a kazan or cauldron/boiler.
Enjoy!
So we start off by cutting up some vegetables, some tomatoes, some bell peppers. Try to cut them the same size, as well as some carrots, onions, and potatoes. The recipe calls for a variety of different spices, so check them out in the description below. Getting dark out right now, but not gonna stop us. They say winter is boring, there's nothing to do, but no, that stinks. Vitaly, what should I say?
When there's a will, there's a way.
That's pretty good. Where there's a will, there's a way. So we're in the process, about at the halfway point, about to add the onions to the charred meat, right?
Right.
Let's do it.
My middle name is right.
At this point, we add the rest of our seasonings. Dried basil, salt, whole black peppercorn, bay leaves, as well as some tomato paste and sour cream. there you have it. That was the Kazan ribs recipe. Let us know what you think.
Enjoy and hit the like button. My feet are frozen.